Number 10 is your fourth personal foul.
Third quarter tayo, third quarter. Medyo nalobat yung isang phone natin eh. Lamang yung lamang yung red ng apat. Third quarter, 4 minutes and 52 seconds.
Keep scheming. Nasaan ka na? Keep scheming. Yan Lloyd Dati. Ganito kung yung sisina. Score! 40 Smiley. 2 points by the Lisa.
42-36.
Susun. Nagdadala ng bola. Serrano pass to number 10. Bamba Pero, wala. Same ball. Serrano for 3.
Tatlo na lang.
Lalo na lang ang kalaman ang dalin. Rosario, De Los Santos. Susun. To Serrano, 2 points.
Isa na lang. Isa na lang lamang ng red.
Alisa, ito apelido. Wala. Serrano, Ingreso.
Lamang na yung blue. Lamang na bigla yung blue.
Red Clippers. Ang galing.
Lamang na lang isa yung blue. Change paper tayo. 2 minutes 31 seconds.
Nips. Pagkliyan.
Lamang na yung blue na isa. Third quarter tayo.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 31 seconds. 2 minutes and 31 seconds.
Wow.
Number 9. It's your third personal foul. Steal. Number 10. 2 points.
Lamang na ng tatlo. Iba na nagtra-transition. Yung blue na nagtra-transition ngayon.
Los Santos.
Bang! Isa na lang. Lamang ng blue.
Ten seconds to shoot. Foul. This foul. 7. First personal foul. Time remaining 1 minute and 37 seconds. 1 minute and 37. Alvarez. 2. By Alvarez. Steal. Susan. Wala. Red ball. Red ball down.
Lamang ng 4 yung blue. 1 minute. Last 1 minute.
Last 1 minute. Three seconds violation. Time remaining 56 seconds. Zone. Magasa. Wala. Yung mga apelido. Uspal Red 77 Bueno.
Tang. Tingnan ko. 37 seconds.
Rosario 2 points.
Dalawa.
Last 30 seconds. Twenty seconds.
Shot clock.
And shoot. Foul. Number 12. Second personal foul. Last 14 seconds. Earning for penalty. Tereso. Foul. Who's fouling?
4 seconds. 4
seconds. 4.2 seconds.
Awa. Tatlo lamang ng blue. 4 seconds. 4. Apat, lamang yung blue ng 4. Maganda yung third quarter ng blue. Tingnan natin sa last quarter. Mamaya. Next game, yellow versus white. Twice to beat yung yellow sa white.